What is up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the ASUS Aimlabs Mousepad. This is going to be a quick unboxing, but I'm excited to open it, see if it improves my aim at all. And let's go. So, it comes in this like ASUS box. We got like the air stuff, air pads, and now we got the actual mousepad itself. So this is the ROG Aimlab edition mousepad that comes in a tube-ish thing. We're gonna go ahead and just cut this open real quick. I'm really hoping this improves my aim because it's pretty bad. Am I thinking it's gonna do miracles? Absolutely not. But I love this Logitech mousepad that I have. And here we go. So a little tubular type of boxing. Oh my gosh, there's all this bunch of black stuff on it, yo. Yo, it's messy. Oh, it's the fucking silica. So when you unbox this, just be careful that mine's torn wide open and it's all over my desk. So we'll get this cleaned up. 1 second. Okay, we're back. The silica went crazy. It popped all over my mousepad in my desk. Cleaned it up right away. But here we are. So we have the mousepad. It actually feels really nice compared to this. They both feel nice, but the main reason I wanted to switch to this is because it's a lot thinner, and it's gonna feel a lot better with the feeling on my wrist, like on the pad or on the desk, versus like an elevated feel from the QCK Logitech. So we're gonna go ahead and switch this out real quick. And right now I'm using the Lightspeed from Logitech. Still some silica everywhere, but here we go. There's a little indentation. I mean, it's gonna go over time. It's gonna go away over time. It's just because the cylinder aspect of the packaging, but overall, it feels great. Like, I have a lot more room, which is nice. I do play at a very low sensitivity, 400 DPI at 2.1 in-game sense. So just a little bit of an increase in size. It's probably about a couple square inches overall, but overall, it feels great. It adds a little color here. I do like the minimalist look to my desk. However, this does stand out. I wish this was all black. That'd be awesome. But the little touch of the Aimlabs branding is actually, it's cool. I'm opening up to more colors. I'm trying to like change up my style a little bit, so there's a little more pop. But overall, this feels great. Actually, let's go into CS and play some aimbots. Alright guys, so we just got into aimbots, and I can already feel the difference between the QCK and the Aimlab mousepad. This one has definitely a lot less friction. Maybe it's a combination of the height of it and the material, but this definitely feels a lot less friction. You have a lot more, like, I don't want to say mobility, but a lot. You can definitely feel like that you're going to be at first probably like over flicking just a little bit, but overall it feels great. I mean, it's personal preference for everyone, but I'm probably going to stick to this just because it's a little bit bigger and I'll get used to it over time. But yeah, it feels great. I just need to get a little bit adjusted to it. I'm probably just going to use this from now on. The QCK will be a backup. And yeah, that's my little quick unboxing of this guy. There is a little a ruler at the bottom. I don't know what measurements this is. They're not inches, so it's probably millimeters, or I don't freaking know. Meters, not meters. It's not meters, right? I feel crazy right now because I don't know the metric system. But this is there's a little ruler here. But yeah, but Aimlabs, the ROG, ordered on ASUS. It was like $29.99. It's nice. It's cool. It's a little nice touch on the setup. I mean, a mousepad is personal preference. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and do your thing. Peace.